Oh yeah, Mario, you ready to play ball? Oh yeah, you betcha, I'm so ready to play ball. Wait, is this a Pokeball? Oh god!
You guys be careful with that ball. Ow.
Sorry, Vexy! Oh, Vexy, you really take a beating. Whatever. Huh.
Ha! Ha! I caught it. Alright, I'm gonna aim for you. Ha!
Woo!
Oh, my head. Oh, no.
What do you mean, oh no?
Oh, guys, I think it hit the beehive. Oh, God, I'm allergic to bees, so I gotta get out of here.
Oh god, I think they're angry.
Oh, God.
Bzzz.
Oh, I bet the bee's angry.
Bzzz.
Oh, God. Ah!
Bzzz.
Oh, God, I'm next. Wait a second. Ah, I got hit with the Pokeball. Yeah. Oh.
Wait up, B, you wanna be friends?
Well, really that simple. All right, Mario, get up.
Oh, okay, cool. I guess we're friends now.